is going on, my YouTube friends, guys, gals? I'm telling you, I can't wait for spring to get here, man. This weather, this rain, oh my God, springtime, come on, baby. Oh yeah, buddy. Listen, guys, me and the wife, we had to go to Harbor Freight. We had to pick up a low profile jack. We had to, because the jacks I got were just too tall to go under her Shelby and my Mach 1. Always had to put it up on a block of wood to get the jack underneath there. I ain't fooling with that no more. So we went and got a jack. Yes, we did, man. We got ourselves a Daytona jack. I guess Daytona, is for race cars. Anywho, this is what it is, man. Let's turn this thing around here and show you what we picked up. Yeah, buddy. Boy, that's just so pretty. You got to have a pretty jack to pick up a pretty car. Don't you? Don't you? Yes, you do. Let's get over here and take a look at this jack. So me and the wife, we went yesterday. We picked up this wonderful jack. Wonderful jack. Yes, we did. It's so pretty. I don't know if I even want to use it. I haven't even opened the box yet. How do I know how pretty it is? So anyhow, it's a Daytona 3-ton, low profile, long reach jack. Wait a minute. Long reach. Let's see what else this thing's got. Okay, we go right here. Pretty much says the same thing. Let's see. Yeah. It's even got a foot pump. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Look at that foot pump. I could just imagine how hard that's going to be. Let's turn this around and see what we got here. So we got 3-ton, low profile, long reach. Oh, well, I don't know. Low profile, rapid pump, foot pump, 360 jack saddle. I don't know. This sounds kind of a little sexual because we go with the rapid pump and the long reach. What does that sound like? Yeah, it sounds a little sexual to me. Let's get this thing opened up. So yeah, this little cart, it comes in handy. I use it for everything. So instead of picking the jack up out of the back of the truck, I just slide it on this and bring it in here. Oh yeah. So let's get this baby opened up here. See what we got. I already cut the tape on the corners. So we'll go right here. Yes, we will. Got some directions. Who needs directions? I can't read anyhow. Daytona 3-ton. No, it says all the stuff I already said. And look at here, ain't that pretty? Daytona 3-ton, low profile, long reach, high performance. Oh man, high performance. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. But you want to hear the real story about this jack? So my wife, she's going, we need a low profile jack. So she must have overheard me talking to my friends about it, And I had mentioned it to her too, so maybe not, I don't know. Anyhow, the story goes, we go to Harbor Freight to buy a jack. And we go in there, we found the one we want. And we got a coupon. So it was like $209 or something like that, I'm not real sure. Plus she bought some more microfiber rags and towels and whatever you want to call them and stuff. So we go there, we spend $239. And we go to the register, they ask me, well, what color do you want? I says, give me an orange. To match my car. So I told her, I says, go ahead and do whatever, hon. I'm going to go out and get the truck and pull it up to the door so that way we can get drag this thing out in the parking lot. She goes, okay. So while Kim's in there paying for it, I walk out to my truck. I go in there. I put on tuggy. Well, here they come walking out. She goes, well, they didn't have orange, so I figured I'd get a black one to match my car. See that? Huh? Black and white. Her car's black with the white stripes. So it's true, guys. What's yours is hers and what hers is hers. Don't ever forget that. So let's get this thing out of the box. This ought to be good and heavy. Let's see what happens here. So take that out there. Pretty nice little jack handle, ain't it? Take this jack handle out. And then let's get this stuff off here. Yeah, we love this stuff. This stuff makes more of a mess than anything. Yes, it does. Ain't that thing pretty? Look at that. Look at here. Look at here. Yes, it does. It's got a little pad there for that. Oh, yeah, nice. Nice, nice. I like it. So this thing is pretty low profile. So let me get this thing out of the box and on the floor. Yes, let's do that. Oh, it's got this little thing right there, so we'll make sure we take that out. All right, let me bring you back after I get this thing out of the box. Right, so we get it down here on the floor, and I gotta get this out right here somehow. Not sure how that goes, twist it off or something. Yeah, she's in there pretty tight, so let me get something and get this off, and then I'll bring you right back. All right, yes, we got her out. So we got that piece out, and that thing flipped up there, so I guess we're ready to put the handle in here. Handle's easy, it just goes together. It's got a little push pin in it. Get this in there, set that down there, and let's screw this in here. You don't have to screw this in there tight. There's no reason to. Just put it in there finger tight, and that way you can use the jack or whatever, tighten her up some. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, real nice. Nice and smooth. I'll kick that back down there. So yeah, the handle's easy to put together. You just have the little push pin right here. You kind of push it in, slide them together. Very, very simple. And then put the handle back in there, tie in the little bolt, tighten the little bolt up. Get there, you got a pretty nice jack. And it's definitely low profile. That's what we need for the Mach 1 and for her Shelby. Even though it looks like her Shelby. So I looked at a couple of different ones they had. They had the Pittsburgh ones and stuff like that. They're nice jacks, but this one right here will seem to be a little longer, have a little longer reach. We all need a little longer reach, don't we? Mm-hmm. So that's why I went with this jack. And it was actually the same price because, you know, the price on everything's gone up now. So we got a pretty jack. We got two pretty cars. We got a pretty jack for the pretty cars. So anyhow, guys, yeah, I'm going to have to get this thing and use it so I can do a review on it. But I figured I'd just do the unboxing today. Let me turn this on. Alrighty then. So now we got a new jack, and it matches her car. I hope she's happy. Yeah, buddy. So guys, I just want to appreciate you for coming and watching the video. You guys are awesome, and I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you that you're not awesome, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Guys, have a great rest of your day. And hey, again, thanks for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you.